Welcome to another episode and video on my driving robot discovery based on the fischertechnik TXT controller running embedded Linux and programmed in Python in online mode, which means that I need to be logged in using SSH secure shell to be able to control it. The robot has two touch sensors, Sonar, camera for OpenTV, and a back motor with propeller, and it has as only function that it indicates when the complete algorithm has stopped. Also has a lamp that in various situations shines, like when it is turning around or making a decision. There are also two objects on the right hand side, and the objective is for now to try to distinguish red and to maintain a straight trajectory, both of which are not quite alright yet. So time to do some more experiments. I also recently added a wire to one of the digital inputs to read the battery voltage to see how quick the voltage drops. First of all though, let's do a very nice, let's see, and it is little bit confusing for seeing where what happens where, because I have two TXT controllers, and one I did some red imaging and this one doesn't have it yet, so there's still some work to do on this one. Anyway, enough talking, let's run it and see whatever happens. Provided something does happen. Yep. So much for a straight trajectory. So much for pushing, stopping for a heavy object, kind of heavy. Light blinking. What's going on? Sending images that, and it runs out. Because of what exactly? It does a stop for count given without format specifier. So it stops in the stop camera online, and I don't know exactly why it does it. However, what I can read is, well, it has sensed a distance of 4 centimeters, which is kind of understandable, but what images does it take? That's a different thing. Position 4, position 14, position 0. 0 is straight at the is immediately at the start, but 4 and 0, that's more interesting. It didn't keep a straight trajectory. I'm not surprised actually. But let's look at actual data, and the code to see how things are working and how many pictures actually should be taken. Alright, so let's take a look at the images that have been sent to the computer. 821 28 actually 0. That's right here. These objects are indeed straight in the middle. Well, the course is. So let's take a look at the next one, which then is 316 850. Oh, 840 is in between. No difference. No difference at all. So this means that both pictures, this one, no, actually that one and that one already were taken while the robot was here. And important is to know the digits. So this one is 54 and this one is 14, and 14 is the key and 4 is the key. So let's take a look at 4 right at the end. This one. Where is 14? That is here. Now it gets a bit odd. These are, or this is anyway, an image taken at 6 to 4 centimeters. No, between 6 and 10. That is 14. This one. And here. So, if so, well, here, as you can see, let's see if that indeed is the case. Because okay, wait a second. I'm confused a bit because I thought I had changed the algorithm that it stops while it actually makes the whole change with the images. So motor stop, etc, etc. So why doesn't it do that? How can I be confused about that one? Sonar. Ah, that is the whole point. Here I do it. See, this is with between 12 and 15, and also between distances of 15 and 20. But do I do it at smaller distances? No, I don't. Or am I? Well, here, yes, here I am. Because this is camera action 131. And I stop the motors and I start the motors again. But at camera 14, I do not. So it drives on while it takes a camera action. I should change that. I definitely should. Because here it now takes a camera action while it drives on, and that explains why why it ends up here with this distance while this image is being taken. It doesn't stop. So I need to change the algorithm, not only for that one, but I also have to change it because of this algorithm, the distances. I have to add longer distances because this is contact. So I have to add more distance for sonar and a stopping when it is due to camera action. I added this new condition, so distance between 25 and 30. I discovered something else though, that I had two conditions with camera action 14, so that makes it not quite clear which one it was. But let's see how this fares. So ready to roll, but I first have to set a distance. Somewhere here. Of course I have to put this one back in place, kind of in the middle. This is more like it. What distance is it? 65 centimeters, give or take. So, alright, 65 means there is about 26 centimeters left, right here. But we'll do it and see whatever happens. If there is any picture stop at 30 centimeters, and that is of course or between, so that means that there should be a stop at, yeah, where exactly? Because the sonar is in the middle. That means that I at least have to put the object there. No, not necessary, because sonar is not necessarily straight ahead. It has an angle of 30 centimeters. So the first one should be taken around here. Let's see how that works out. Roll. Okay, that's not a straight trajectory. 0. 15. And 15 is how much? Let's take a look at that. 4, I know that is right at the end. But where is 15? That is there any other? No, okay. 15 is not making any sense. So, provided that the sonar works, why doesn't it stop at any distance between 60 and or 65 as it started and 4? That is strange. Very strange indeed. Alright, is it here it is 5 and 6. So when it drives fast enough to to have skipped 5 and 6, and then it won't do this. But this condition has 7, 8, 9 and 10 centimeters to skip. And that means a distance between here and here. Not that much, but doable. Then next one between, okay, that is the 10 and 12 is only 1 centimeter, one distance. That's only here. Only this place, easy to skip. No, it's 12. It's smaller or equal than. So these 2 centimeters. Okay. Next. 13, 14 and 15. So these 3. Not that much a problem, I think. When it stops. So at either one of these distances, I expect it, or does it anyway? It stops, reach a counter value, yes. Does a camera action, so it takes a picture. Then it sets a distance and it starts running again. And exactly the same procedure here, which is 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So then we are talking about this distance. Not too much ask, I would think. So why doesn't it do it? Two centimeters are easier to skip, but this distance, or say 20 to 25, or say 25 to 30, why does it skip those? Doesn't make sense. Alright, so it is unclear yet why it skips all those sonar conditions, but what can I do? Let's see if all the distances are mentioned correctly. That will be very nice. actually they are. And this is then the first one to, or the last contact with these two sensors. Now one difference is that it didn't push away this one this time. On the other hand, what is the voltage right now? Did I see any voltage anyway? Or where does it read the voltage in the first place? Have I put the voltage correctly? Voltage is at 7. Where did I put the voltage? At 7, so that is correct. Then where do I read the voltage? Right, I need to find battery. Alright, yeah, well. Continuing at top, white. Oh, here. Yeah, right. Okay, right there. So I should be seeing it. Eight 8.9 volts. Good. So that means that there is no threat of the controller being shut down because of low battery voltage, which is good. Alright, another try and see whatever happens. Right here, and at a distance of, well, that is again 85. Let's put it further backwards. Out of the image, out of camera view, but the distance is 80 something centimeters, which then reads like 31.5 inch. So let's see what pictures are taken this time. If any are. Exactly what I expected. Well, kind of. Retry. There it comes in view. Down to 8.8 volts. Zero image. Stops. It did stop. 141. 141, that's good. That is to say, oh, you're joking me. Um, 141 is 6 and 10. Between 6 and 10. So again it skips everything. Yeah, what does it do? I'm not going to interrupt it. It drives on. It holds again, but why? And it goes slowly out of camera view and meets with an object and can't drive any further. And then it says 10. And lamp shines. Oh yeah, it's no use to show that because it's already gone, but lamp went on. So what is end of the algorithm. This was an interesting case. So 4 I know, but what is 10? No, here. Case 10. That is contact. Okay. So yes, it did hit the object, and therefore a picture was taken. But still I'm at the mystery. Why does it skip all the sonar conditions? Last part for this video. The robot is more or less back at the starting point. The measuring tape is at 50 centimeters something. 51, 52. But well, still at the mystery. Why is the why is it skipping the sonar measuring points, the camera points? Why didn't it stop and makes it almost 180 degrees turn? Well, battery voltage is not really a mystery, but also why are there no sounds when there should be? More than enough questions, but a few answers so far. Anyway, that is it for now. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment. Very much appreciated. You can also follow me on Twitter. If so, retweet, like and leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like and leave a comment. Please donate to keep videos coming. You can also become a patron and have your name mentioned. More information on my website. And of course this is going to be continued for attempts to answer questions and to improve the algorithm. Once again, thank you for watching and bye bye.